everybody, welcome to my reading session. Today we are going to read First Woman in Space. The first person in space was a man. The first person on the moon was a man. But space travel isn't just for boys. Let me tell you about the first woman in space. Her name was Valentina. Valentina lived with her mom, who worked in a cotton mill in the Soviet Union. Valentina finished school when she was 17, after she had many different jobs like working inside a tire factory. She also took up parachuting and trained in skydiving. She also took her first leap out of a plane when she was 22 years old. She even took part in competitions. The Soviet Union wanted to be the first to send a woman into space, so they let women train for space travel. And Valentina's parachuting skills were the perfect fit. 400 young women were chosen. And from that they narrowed the number down to 58, then to 20, then to 23, then 4, and Valentina was one of them. There were lots and lots of tests too, and finally after a long time, Valentina was chosen. On June 16, 1963, Valentina got inside her spaceship, known as the Vostok 6. After a 2-hour countdown, she did it. She became the first woman ever in space. Everything is fine. I see the horizon. It's a sky blue with a dark strip. How beautiful Earth is. Everything is going well, said Valentina. The spaceship had cameras inside, and people all over the Soviet Union watched on their television. She orbited Earth 48 times in less than 3 days. When the mission was complete, Valentina jumped with her parachute 4 miles from Earth. Whoa, isn't that so much? It was very windy, so it was difficult to control where she was going. She landed far from home, but local villagers made her dinner and helped her out of her spacesuit. What a day! The end. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more reading sessions. Bye!